Parker's back behind the checkout desk today. The Cheshire Cat jumps on her head and says, "Looks good." But Mrs. B says, "Goodness, are you sure you want all these?" "Oh yes," we shout together. She says,
Ah, it's good.
check it out. Come say hi to dictionary. Picking out a book, check it out.
Let's go back to Christmas back there.
The seven dwarfs begin to shout, "Say, take us with you, check us out." Then Cinderella gets her gown and Babar grabs his crown. Then Curious George swings from the shelf. Along comes Mother Goose herself. Out the door we danced and sang, the whole library rang. Oh, I'm going down to the library, picking out a book, check it out. Gonna say hi to the dictionary, picking out a book, check it out. I'm going down to the library. Shh, Saturday morning and the rain is pouring. Dad worked late last night, he's in there snoring. Same old stuff on TV, boring. So what if I can't go out and play? I know what I'll do today. I'm going down to the library, picking out a book, check it out. Gonna say hi to the dictionary, picking out a book, check it out.